All right, good Friday morning. Temperatures are heating up already into the upper 70s in a few spots. That sunshine going to warm us up in a hurry. 77 in Richmond, Frankfort, 78, 75 in Lexington, but still out east into the south. Some lower 70s still hanging on at the moment. Now, satellite radar, no rain showing up yet. It's going to be likely after lunchtime before we start to see most of those scattered storms pop up. We could even see a few, though, just like yesterday, as early as 11 o'clock in the morning. But they'll start out isolated, and then the coverage will go a little more scattered into the heating of the day. We're in this warm sector, cold front to the north. That front gets closer to the Ohio River into the day tomorrow and Sunday. So as it's in the region, that'll provide an even likely greater chance for some scattered storms tomorrow. Today, though, we'll still have some storms to contend with. You'll see here in the heating of the day, here come the scattered showers and storms. If you get under one of those, they're slow movers this time of the year. There's not a lot of upper level wind to help steer that along. So localized flooding, you could get some damaging wind gusts from those, and then they'll eventually just rain themselves out. We work our way into tomorrow morning, front approaching the river. We could even see some downpours even into the morning hours tomorrow because a front's nearby. Instead of yesterday and today, it's more driven by the heating of the afternoon. Some of the storms, as I mentioned a moment ago, could be strong or severe, and the Storm Prediction Center has that outlook mainly for eastern and southern Kentucky. Not to rule that out, though, anywhere, because this time of the year you could get one of those pulse thunderstorms that intensifies briefly to produce some strong damaging winds like we saw yesterday in parts of Lexington that did some damage, knocked some trees down, obviously knocked some power lines down as well on Newtown Pike. Big upper level high. Remember a couple of days ago it was here, and we told you by the end of the week it would start to move eastbound. So as that happened, yes, that's put us in the flow for more of those scattered showers and storms. That high's not sitting on top of us suppressing the air. It's allowing for some rising air as it's moving east. Into next week, though, a trough digs in, that heat dome's out in the Atlantic, and we get some cooler and less humid air in place, which we're ready for. But on that flip side of that high getting a little weaker, we see the better storm chances. A little higher coverage tomorrow. That doesn't mean that everybody sees rain. Still talking about scattered variety, but the storms could again be strong, maybe severe. Now Sunday, front still draped across the region. Another front likely gives us another higher coverage of storms again into the day on Monday and Tuesday. That front actually does sweep through here on Tuesday, and it brings cooler, less humid air, as we were mentioning a moment ago, for Wednesday. Thursday, we start heating up, but the humidity should still be low, so we'll take that. Anytime you can get overnight lows down to the 60s instead of the 70s, that's your first sign that it's less humid, Krista.